Hey guys, we're doing a glow in the dark video. As you can see on the title, it's going to be very cool. My friend gave me this fidget spinner. I don't know if he knew it was glow in the dark, but I'm trading him for a ninja blade that I made out of fidget spinner. It's not sharp, but I'll show you. Get it out my backpack. I'm gonna give it to him on Monday. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Well, I'm gonna show you that this fidget spinner, it lights up white. It is super duper cool. So I'm gonna shut the door here. And can you guys see? It's glowing. That's my fidget spinner. It's very cool. I love this fidget spinner. Wait. But it's going fast. I think the more you spin it, it's like one of those cheap ones. It's actually very cool. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like if you like this video so far. And yeah, pretty cool. And I'm going to be teaching you guys some fidget spinner tricks. So, see you to it. Okay, so guys, one of the tricks, spin your fidget spinner. Switch fingers. And here's another trick. Go under your leg, catch it while it's still spinning. And another trick. Oh, it's still spinning. And one of my favorite ones, I need to grab a pen or something. You guys need a pen or something, let me go grab it. Okay guys, as you can see, set up my phone right again. Okay, as you can see, I got a pencil. Now take it, whichever hand you are. This is a trick to spin your fidget spinner really fast. Yeah, that's cool. Ooh. That's cool, isn't it? I'm gonna go show you guys one more time that the glow in the dark. You can't really see it that good on camera, but you can see it better. Okay guys, so I'm in the closet now. Let me cut off the light. Now wait, let it get its glow. See, it's hard to see in camera. Okay, well, that's it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye, see you guys next time.